We're in a mandatory evacuation situation now. You're looking at anywhere from 10 to 14, 15 feet of storm surge parish-wide.
A hurricane is bearing down on New Orleans.
Okay, right now I'm going to need the fire department to get...
And 8th graders from Landry Middle School have assembled at the nearby Emergency Response Center to deal with the mock crisis.
Do we deliver babies? We're going to try. How are we going to get the paramedics to her house?
We're going to send 2 paramedics.
Power is out, bridges are down, and a pregnant woman is calling for help. The situation demands clear judgment, teamwork, and improvisation.
2 minutes apart. That man is coming out.
Do you have any type of transportation?
Don't we have the truck, that drives through water? It's like a hubbub.
So we're going to use that truck to bring the paramedics to her house.
To her house.
Anytime we teach and we use real, relevant, real-life experiences, kids are immersed in those experiences, and learning's fun. And the bottom line is when learning's fun, it's easy, and it comes quick to the kids and they enjoy.
After some anxious moments, the storm passes, and science teacher Linda Watsky quizzes her class on what they've gained from the exercise.
I will always remember the stress. I mean, it's hard being parish president. You got people, like Christy over here, Gentine, well, you got a fire over here, and let's say Tanisha over here, a tree fell down over here, and okay, well, all right, okay, well then I'm going to do this, all right, and it's stressful. I mean, you got to listen to so many things at one time.
Okay, how does what we were learning in class relate to this? What does it take to solve a problem? You always have to be right the first go round. No. Okay, so the same in scientific method. The difference in class is you're solving it to learn knowledge. And here, you're solving it to save people's lives. And I think that's where the stress comes in.
The back of your car has to be on this line.
Not all of Landry's classwork is stressful.
So if you hold it just right there for your partner.
In fact, much of the hands-on, project-based learning here is downright fun.
Okay.
To engage their students at the end of the year, the 8th grade teachers came up with a project focusing on cars. In science class, students made balloon-propelled cars out of recycled materials and road-tested their various designs.
Oh, it's curved. Look at that.
Like most Landry projects, the car unit was featured across the 8th grade curriculum.
Try to write some different selling points.
In language arts, students wrote car commercials. And in math, they calculated loan payments.
That's 6% of whatever you get for item number 7.
So multiply 6%
times that.
Okay.
They also used the web to plan trips and find information on fuel economy and environmental impacts.
Not only is the vehicle going to save the earth, it also comes with most standard features that all consumers really like.
And they evaluated pitches from local car salesmen.
Here you can see this truck, at least, it's fully equipped. It has cruise control, the tilt steering wheel. It has power windows and power door locks and power mirrors.
How much does it take to fill up the tank? How much it costs?
And that's going to be close to $40 for, an empty tank.
In the math thing, they were very much into it.
The 8th grade teachers coordinate their efforts and evaluate the progress of projects during their daily 45-minute shared time.
And we had little scenarios where they reached in a bag and pulled out whether they're single or whether they have 3 kids. So when they went to pick the cars, it was like, I want this car that's $147,000, but my income on my profile card said all I'm making is $48,000, but I have to take care of 3 kids.
For these teachers, the benefits of team teaching extend beyond curriculum development.
One of the things that the kids see is they see that we work as a team. Plus, that's also the way the business world is run, in teams. So what we expect them to be able to do as young adults that is what we practice here, so they can see the real world connection.
The down payment you gave was $1,000, so more or less was you had 48. So this is how much you wanted to pay.
At Landry, students practice teamwork too.
Are you lost? Are you getting me?
I got you.
You got me? So what happens is you have to pay the bank back.
Students of varying abilities are grouped in teams of 4, which often include older students needing extra help.
We don't really work by ourselves because we sit in groups, and if we have a question, well, if we don't know it, then we ask like our peers and our pupils, and if they don't know it, then we ask the teacher, because it's really like a community. We say we're one big family, and we are the Lander family, and we help each other out.
I've had kids come back to me and tell me, you remember that project we did? They have never, ever come back and said, remember that test we did? So I think that's the impact. If the kids remember it, test scores will go up. And our test scores have.
It'll be 2 and 2. Because
no, the Y. I'm doing rise over 1.
Volunteer mentors from local industry are also part of the Landry family.
We come here once a week, and we get the satisfaction of working with excellent students and seeing the future.
And when new technology is thrown into the mix, learning is a blast.
Out, go back, same way, in and out, in and out.
We're doing a study of motion and graphing. We're letting the students see that as they walk, this motion detector here graphs their path, and we're going to show them that their walk can be interpreted into math.
You see it? Where's that gap? The gap is way up there. You know why? What is it reading? Did it read? It read nothing. It read the wall.